Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I have an Ipsy glam bag and an Ipsy glam bag. So today we're going to be doing the Ipsy glam bag showdown. My monthly comparison of two different Ipsy bags. I do use different profiles. Some things I keep the same so that I can still use it if I receive it. But there's an age difference and some of the options that we get to pick from are different. Some months my bags are identical, some months they're not, but, you know, I have no control over that. So, we saw what the bag itself looked like, so I'll just pick one. We know what the bag looks like from the spoilers from my PR box. And as you can see behind me, I have a whole bunch of stuff to film back here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be filming next. I'm just going to film 2 videos today. Trying not to overwhelm myself. I used to do 4, 5, 6 videos at a pop. I just cannot. I don't have the energy for it right now. So Glam Bag is $14 a month, 5 beauty products. We get to choose one of the products. Hopefully what we can choose is full size. They're generally samples, and we do pay $1.99 shipping and handling for each bag. I do pay tax in my state. And the theme for June 2024 is Sunny Days Ahead. And your card will give you a little hint as to what's in your bag. So we'll have another sneak peek at the bags right here. They're adorable. I think they're adorable. I love this pull. And the one that I got for PR, I actually have in my Michael Kors handbag that I just got. Because sometimes they're just not flexible. And this is very flexible in my bag. So let's just unzip and I'll give you a little sneak peek if it helps into this bag. But outside I have a brush. And this is from Chica Beauty Eyeshadow Shader Brush, full size $10. I don't have any brushes from them, so this is what it looks like. Where's the brush? Let's see what it feels like. That feels like a nice little, you know, blending brush. Nice brush. Very lightweight, feels nice in your hand, nice and slick and smooth. I do like that, and that I did tell you was $10. And I'm just going to take the other items out of the bag, and then I can show you the nice yellow interior. These bags are so awesome. I love the little makeup bags. And for those that are new, I have a collection of these. I have saved so many bags over the years, so some I have still have 2 of, but most of them I just have 1 bag, and I've been collecting them for a long time and have not used them. So let's see what I have next. This is from Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Obviously this is the deluxe sample. Does it have a seal? It does not have a seal. Oh, it smells like a berry, watermelon or something. It's definitely a berry scent. Strawberry. Powered by potent infusion of avocado oil, cucumber, and strawberry seeds to exfoliate. This sugar-based facial scrub is the perfect way to energize and help brighten your skin. Pretty decent amount. You probably use this twice to see if you like it. I have not ever tried the sugar scrub from Galactic, so happy to have that. This is from the Balm. This is tiny. The Balm to the Rescue. What are we? Under Eye Super Jelly. This jelly is the jam. Formulated with camu, a potent source of vitamin C, and algae. The super fruit under eye super jelly, it's a lot, delivers a mega dose of anti-aging, antioxidant protection while also helping to reduce under eye circles. Morning and night you can use this. Nice. And this is like a tube, so let's just put a little bit out. And it is a clear gel. So let's see what that feels like. Goes in, nice and smooth, and that's like practically melted in my skin already. So by the time you rub that under your eye, you could pat under your eye. I just use, if you use your ring finger, it's your lightest pressure finger. No scent, and that's basically in. So I'm happy to try that. I mean, you could get quite a few uses out of that to determine, and that's nice and smooth. Ooh, that might be nice. We'll give that a shot. Oh, from Benefit Cosmetics. Blush Tint in Pearl. Did I choose this? No, I didn't choose this. I know what I chose. Wow, that is so tiny. So tiny. Let's see this. That's a blush. So I just put one little tiny dot on my finger. Right there. On my hand, I'm sorry. And let's... Okay, that moves around nice. Moves around nicely, that you could lighten it up. Spread it around. Whether you use your finger or your sponge or a brush, but that definitely blends out nicely. Where you're not... I know if I wipe my nose now if I have blush on. But that's really pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, so they're samples. The brush is full size. And then I have a palette from Formula Z Cosmetics. Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette, full size, $32. I think I might have chosen this in both so that I can share one. Ugh. Can't get that open. Just using the bags here as my trash. I don't need a little brush thing, so this is the packaging, the outer packaging. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Well, that's cute. No mirror, nice clear plastic. If I could get it open, it would be a miracle. Let me see. Sometimes I just don't have, I just got to get my blade under there to, there we go. Pop that open. This is what she looks like. That's a nice, cute little palette. Nice shades. On the back, does it tell you? It does. I cannot read that. I would have to get my magnifier, which I might start leaving where I film so that I could see things better. But like, here's a nice little blush. I don't know why I just closed that. I'm not going to be able to get that back open, am I? Oh, yeah. So you have some nice, you could use that for a highlighter, for, you know, an eyeshadow. Here's a nice blush. Nice, though. I do like that. That's really cute. Great little travel palette. So we have a sugar scrub from Galactic, a nice little eyeshadow palette. I like the Balm product. What was this one? The Under Eye product. This is really pretty from Benefit. Once again, the blush. Very pretty. And I've got a brush. I'm very happy with that bag. I'm not disappointed in that at all. Very, very good. Oops. Okay, so that was very nice. Let's see what the next one has to offer. So far, that's pretty awesome. Let's see here. Oh, I did get something, I think, with points that I will share because I already have. But, and I'll show you the points product first. And this is from Lunar Beauty, the 2 lip pencils. I'm going to put that in the giveaway stuff. I'm trying to think. Are these my Lunar? I think I just put them in here. No, that's me show. Oh, they're black. They're right here. These are the 2 liners. Right here. And there's the colors. I'll re-swatch them for you. I'll just put them over. So the first one, right here. Oops, it's all the way over here. These are very nice. I used this one yesterday, right here. Just a little bit more pinky, like red, like a deeper pink. This N one. Very nice. So I'm glad, I mean, I chose them on both my accounts. Oh, my nose is runny today. So I figured I would get and share. I actually have the giveaway drawers right underneath me that I'm filming on top of. So I just slid them in. Oh, my nose is runny today. Allergies. So we do have a card here. I have another brush, so I will share the brush because I have plenty of brushes. Once again, you know, the cute bag. Sometimes I forget to add them to like my box giveaways, but you know, what can you do? All right, so we have some dupes. So I have another palette. So I'm not even going to, oh, I'm going to leave this one wrapped up. I just showed you mine, and then I won't unwrap the brush so then I can share that kind of stuff. Then we have another Benefit Cosmetics plush tint, and this is in Cream Puff. So they're just different shade. My niece is looking for some cream products. She wants to give them a try. You know, she's in her late 30s and said, you know, like some fine lines are starting to settle, and she wanted to, you know, start trying some creams because, you know, I said sometimes creams or powders, it really depends. You know, I told her your base is very important, but, and it's okay if I swatch this. It's, you know, it's no big deal. I'll go on this side because she would still use it. And I just did a little dot. I mean, I might keep both, you never know. So I did a little dot of that. But and this one is a lot lighter. Nice. Like that's, used the same amount. And you can see the difference. This one is much deeper, but this one's very light. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Then here from Jasmine Beauty, I have Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. I have so many of these. I will show you what the component looks like and then show you the product. And I'll probably just put this in a giveaway just because I have so many brow waxes. I don't always use them. But they're nice to have. So this is what the product looks like. And it's a clear gel. I'm not going to open it so that I don't, you know, get air to it. But I'll share that also. So, and here, oh, here. This is wonderful. Yensa Beauty Super Serum Foundation in Light 1. I don't know if this might be too light. This has a seal on it. Let me see what my Yensa Beauties are. What I have. I have medium neutral. Let me see. I know I have a backup. Is this medium neutral also? Medium neutral. I'm just trying to see. I know I have another one from them. Where are you? That might be it. No, I have. Yeah, I have medium neutral. So this is going to be way too light. So I might share this if this might work for you. That's definitely going to be too light for me. But I'm happy to have that. That is super pretty. I mean, you could barely see it, so it would give a nice little flush. Where this one, you'd have to go, like, that might be too much for me. Where the lighter one, I liked it. Like this one, you can't build up. So I would have to be real careful and blend, because I wouldn't want that much blush on my cheek. Where this, you can barely see it. And I would rather put it on, and if I had to put a little bit more, I'd rather do that. But let me tell you, over where the blush is, very smooth. So that's nice. So I'm happy for that. So I would say my first bag was better because I love everything in it and will use everything. Where this one, you know, some dupes, which is, you know, perfectly fine. I did choose the palette in both, like I said, so I can share one. So I'm glad I have a different shade in the blush tint from Benefit that I could try. And all the other stuff I have, or the shade's not, you know, not perfect for me. So bag number 1 is my favorite. I would love to hear in the comments down below which bag would be your favorite. Do you get Ipsy Glam Bag? And if you did, what did you pick? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear from all of you on that. And it's, you know, sunny days ahead is the theme for June. So, you know, like I said, leave what your favorite products are, things that you're excited to try from this bag. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching. And hopefully you made it this far. I would really love to see, you know, watch time pick back up and for people to watch from start to end. That would be so extremely helpful, and I would greatly appreciate it. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.